it was interesting. I mean, I had kind of heard this idea discussed before, but a lot of other people hadn't. But I remember Justin telling us that he had been contacted by someone for whoever publishes Harry Potter in the U.S. I don't know, Crown or something, but they had they had asked him if he thought they should translate Harry Potter into Yiddish, and he was like, no, definitely not. And so a lot of people, I mean, I love Harry Potter, so just, I was like slightly like, oh, gosh, you know, Harry Potter should be in every language, but I mean, I already kind of knew what he was going to say as his explanation, but a lot of people were just like, what? Like, it's such a great book, like, you know, like, we should definitely have it in Yiddish, but the thing is, like, people would buy it. I mean, like, I have Harry Potter in like 3 or 4 different languages, and I don't really read them in all those languages. Like, I have it because it's fun. It's like, look at these different copies of Harry Potter, and like, that's what a lot of people don't want Yiddish to become, is like a cute, like, novelty thing. Like when we talked about the Yiddish magnets, that you can't really form any actual sentences with them, and so it's just like random words, and so it's like fun and cute, but it's not really taking it seriously. And beyond that, like, people who could only read Harry Potter in Yiddish probably, at least one of Justin's explanation was that probably wouldn't really want their kids reading Harry Potter either, with all the witchcraft and spells and everything. And so it really, I can certainly see, I mean, we had kind of a little discussion in class, and I can see how it would be kind of a cutesy thing, and I definitely understand why lots of people really, really would not like that.